Hello, hi friends. In today's video, let's talk about Apple September event, iPhone 12, Apple Watch Series 6, iPad Air 4, leaks and rumors. Let's not waste time. Come, let's get started. Hi friends, leakster John Processor earlier tweeted that Apple has a press release scheduled for Tuesday, September 8 at 9 a.m. EST. Processor has previously said that the new iPad Air and Apple Watch Series 6 would launch via a press release in the week of September 8th. Processor also confirmed in his tweet that there is no change on the Apple press release and date and time. The release of multiple Apple products appears to be imminent. Apple registered 8 Apple Watches and 7 iPads in an ECC filing last month, and various leaks such as instruction manual and design schematics have come to light. The ECC filing effectively confirms that the new Apple Watches and at least 2 different models of iPad will be released very soon. Let's talk about Apple Watch Series 6 leaked specification and features. Apple Watch Series 6 is expected to come with S6 chip with an improved performance, blood oxygen monitor, better water resistance, improved battery life. Apple Watch Series 6 could see an improved Wi-Fi connectivity through the use of liquid crystal polymer. Although the micro LED display was rumored as a part of latest leaks, this won't happen until next year. Talking about Apple iPad Air 4, according to the leaks and rumors, the iPad Air 4 has a design similar to the iPad Pro. Apple revamped the iPad Pro lineup last year with a flat edges and removal of home button as well. The iPad Air 4 is expected to follow a similar design. It is also expected to come with support for the second gen Apple Pencil, fingerprint sensor on the home button with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB base storage option. Let's talk about iPhone 12. It is likely that Apple will make an announcement for its upcoming iPhone 12 event, which is likely to happen sometime in October. So friends, how excited are you about Apple's upcoming September event? What are the products you're planning to buy? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and keep watching iTech. Thank you.